Hey guys, hey, got some news for you today. Uh, I took my FAA 107 sUAS test today, and I passed. Yeah, so I am a full-fledged licensed drone pilot here in Portland, Oregon. And that's one of the reasons why I had to go get my pilot's license, is because I started a business called Boundary Air Photography. I was telling you guys about that. And Boundary Air Photography, it's basically an aerial drone photography company. And so anyway, yeah, I had no idea that I needed to be a licensed pilot when I started that company. But now I'm a licensed pilot. And so, hey, now it's on. We can go make some money, you know? Anyway, hey, no problem, man. I just wanted to come and give you guys the news. John at Fix a Fence. I'm a freaking licensed drone pilot, man. Oh, I've been studying for about 30 days. I've been took this course called from the Pilot Institute. This guy named Greg, and it's a video course. It cost me about 169 bucks, but all the information's there, and then because like I said, the population with the Facebook stuff, you get signed up with something, you get more advertisements. And I got hooked up with the guy named Damon from the Drone Boss, and gave me a lot of good information on how to pass the test the first time. Greg from Pilot Institute, he always said, John, on the courses, you want to strive for 80%. And so I had to take a few tests on there. Got a couple of tests, 80% or more. On the Drone Boss thing, he had a couple of tests, and then I went into the FAA room, and man, I tell you what, it was not a lot of questions, but a few questions, but were on the test but anyway, but what it was is, the reason why I was able to pass is because I had this knowledge that these guys have and that they've been putting out here on the internet. So it's no joke, guys. It's no joke. If you want your pilot's license, man, you're gonna have to study for it, because these guys ain't messing around, man. This is the FAA, FAA. They don't play around, man. This guy was totally serious behind the desk, man. And and with the COVID restrictions and all that, it made it even worse. I had my mask on in there and everything like that. And then, my glasses to see, I was getting fogged up a little bit. So I pulled my mask down around my nose, and about 5 minutes later, I think, into the questions, this guy kept knocking up on the, hey, put it up. No joke, man. Anyway, hey, no problem. I followed directions. I did what I was supposed to do. I'm not no macho man or impulsive guy like that. I just did what I was supposed to do, follow directions. And that's probably a big reason why I passed this course, is because I follow directions. I still got it up here in a little bit of gray matter up here, and I can learn and retain things, which is kind of cool. 70% is what I passed with, you know what I mean? I still got a lot to learn, but you know what? I passed 70%, man. Awesome. I'm so stoked, man. After he told me, I started shaking, and I just started shaking. I was so freaking happy, man. I didn't know what to do. So anyway, hey, right on. Fix a Fence LLC. I'm a drone pilot, licensed FAA 107 drone pilot. You guys have a great day.